Black holes are often imagined as cosmic monsters, gaping maws ready to devour anything nearby. The event horizon, their infamous edge, is seen as the ultimate boundary between our universe and oblivion. But the real terror isn't at the edge, it's what happens after you cross it. From afar, a black hole appears peaceful, a perfect sphere of darkness, silent and still, surrounded by a warped halo of starlight. There are no warnings, no alarms, just a quiet patch of nothingness. As you approach, the universe behind you distorts, stars compress, and their light intensifies. The event horizon itself is invisible. No wall, no crash, just an unseen line in space. For a supermassive black hole, crossing the event horizon is uneventful. You wouldn't feel a thing. No jolt, no sense of falling, just drifting across an invisible threshold. Your instruments show nothing unusual. Everything seems normal. But the moment you cross, your fate is sealed. The event horizon is a one-way door, subtle, silent, and final. You pass through without realizing the lock has clicked shut behind you. The true danger is its deceptive calm. It's not chaos at the edge. It's the quiet certainty of no return. The real nightmare begins only after you've crossed. Imagine watching a friend approach a black hole. As they near the event horizon, they seem to slow down, their image fading and stretching, never quite crossing from your perspective. Time appears to freeze for them, their signals redshifted and dim. To you, they're trapped at the edge forever, a ghostly monument to gravity's power. But for your friend, time feels normal. Their watch ticks as usual. They cross the event horizon without drama. No bump, no flash, just a silent transition. Once inside, escape is impossible. The rules of space and time have changed. Before, you could move in any direction. Now, inside, every path leads only deeper. The future is no longer a choice, it's a destination, the center of the black hole. No force, no engine can turn you back. The event horizon is the point of no return. Inside, all roads lead to the singularity. Inside the event horizon, reality warps. Space and time swap roles. Moving toward the center becomes as inevitable as moving forward in time. You can't escape. Every direction pulls you closer to the singularity. It's like being swept down a waterfall you can't climb. The very fabric of space drags you inward. Looking back, you'd see the universe's future play out in fast forward. Stars born and dying, galaxies colliding, all in moments. It's a breathtaking, terrifying spectacle. But it's a one-way view. You can see out but no one can see or hear you. No signal escapes. You're cut off from the cosmos. You're utterly alone, isolated in a private universe. The horror isn't just the fall, it's the total isolation. Beyond the edge, you vanish from the universe's story. All that's left is the journey inward. As you fall, gravity's grip intensifies. This is spaghettification, your body stretched by tidal forces, pulled apart atom by atom. In a small black hole, you'd be torn apart before reaching the event horizon. In a supermassive one, you'd cross intact only to be stretched later, closer to the center. Everything, your body, your ship, becomes a stream of particles. It's not just death, it's total disassembly. The process is unstoppable, dictated by physics. The event horizon is just the door. Spaghettification is the fate that awaits. No escape, no resistance, just inevitable destruction. The journey is a one-way trip to atomic oblivion. The horror is not in vanishing, but in being unmade. The black hole doesn't just consume, it erases. This is the true end beyond the edge. What lies at the center? According to Einstein, a singularity, infinite density, zero volume, where physics breaks down. No one knows what it's like. Our theories fail here. Some quantum ideas suggest information isn't lost but scrambled and stored on the event horizon. Perhaps, you become a holographic shadow, forever encoded at the edge. Is it worse to be annihilated or to exist as cosmic static? The event horizon isn't the end, it's the beginning of a journey into the unknown. Beyond it, space and time lose meaning, and your fate is sealed. The terror is in the certainty, isolation, destruction, and mystery. The black hole's edge is a gateway, not a wall. It marks the transition from the known to the unknowable. The true nightmare is what happens after you cross.